Hello dear traders, petar.jacimovic here from vicanalysis.com. I want to post my analysis on the GBP USD, the intraday analysis on this currency pair. I'm using in my intraday trading a lot of market profile analysis together with my volume spread analysis, because simple reason is that I started with market profile analysis for intraday trading because I think it is very, very powerful for intraday trading, basically. It's very, very powerful because it combines the time. That time factor is very, very important. And if you don't know much about the market profile analysis, I can tell you about the basics and the reason why I took the buying position exactly right now after this news in the US. So the news pretty much just shake it out, the weak holders, in my opinion, and the price will actually continue higher, maybe even to test yesterday's swing high, which is my target. Pretty much I risk like 30 pips and I will try to take 120. Or at least to this swing high to take 70-80 pips. But anyway, I want to tell you more about the market profile analysis, since I will use a lot, and you will I will post a lot of videos and at the beginning of the day what I'm expecting, how the day will looks like. So I want to tell you about the basics. Also I have my whole part about the market profile analysis I'm using in the intraday trading. I have on my mentorship program where I can teach you, if you're interested in the intraday trading, the market profile analysis together with price action, and is actually all you need if you want to to understand market and to trade successfully. And of course, with proper risk money management, of course, you will be able to create success. But it's not an easy market profile. It's a lot of there is a lot of work to do to understand the writings of the market profile and what actually market profile represents. The very basics is that, as you can see here, you have a single print letters here. Every letter here is basically worth of 30 minutes. So for example, we start with the opening with a point with a single print A, and you see that A actually went to this stage, so A went 15 pips, went from this stage to this stage. After the 30 minutes finish it, the next 30 minutes start to write like B, and the B letter basically the B letter started here, went here, went here. Then the C letter started, went here, here, and here, and then D. And again, every letter represents 30 minutes time frame. 30 minutes time frame is a very, very massive for intraday traders. It's a best frame for intraday traders. That's why every letter is worth 30 minutes. They use a lot of on the floor trading at 30 minutes, and lately they use a lot of market profile analysis in their floor trading. The key principle is, of course, which I will teach you, there is a lot of different, you have a different types of the days. Market profile can look like a non-trend day, so it can be a classic non-trend day where there is nothing special happening. And I will try to find you. This is a non-trend day, for example, neutral day. You have this single prints here, but actually it's as you see, the price action is also suggesting it's a non-trend day, but also you see there is a very, very big point of control here. This is a non-trade day. For example, this is a something like a double distribution. This is almost a triple distribution day. So this is a trend day, and it's clearly here. This is a bearish. So you have different types. This is some kind of double distribution trend day, and so far this is so far right now the non-trend day. But we have a lot of, we have 6-7 hours to finish actually the day market profile. today market profile. So again, single print start with A. This green letters is for the Asia session market profile. This red one for the Europe, and the blue one, which we started right now, is actually for US session. We have here the value areas and the point of control. That is about the key basics things. Point of control is the area where the price traded 70% of the day. So price traded 70% of the day, for example, here yesterday, and that you see point of control 1.2906. That's a point of control from yesterday, and it's not a big surprise why the price stopped on the news exactly on this 1.2906. It's not because that is some magic number or something like that. It's basically because that area is the area which was the value area from the yesterday. So most of the time traders traded here in this level there. So price respected today this point of control. Okay. So then that's a point of control again. Where the concentrated is 70%, where the price traded 70% of the time for that day. And you see the length is the largest here. Okay. So we have also the value areas. Value areas, this colored rectangle here. You see the value area. And value areas actually help us a lot we compare the value areas from previous day and see what's going on there. Okay. The value area can be a higher, lower, or the same in the range. Okay. So basically here basically, for example, this value area, we overlapped the yesterday value area, overlapped this 2 days ago value area. As you see, high of the value area is here, and high of the value area from yesterday is here. So clearly the price overlapped this value area. This is a sign that buyers are still on the market basically. Even though we got this drop, the value area stayed still higher. Okay, so that's the big clue as well. Why I bought today and why I bought actually right now, even if you bought in the Asia session, that's also fine. Around this stage here, pretty much on the same level where I'm right now. Because I bought because of the single prints. Buying tail represent sign of the strength, especially when we see this single prints in the area where we got located a lot of trading from yesterday. So near the point of control. So single prints happen near point of control. And single prints held successfully for a very, very long period. As you see, this single prints, we didn't broke even on the London session or something. So this is a very, very strong sign that the larger time frame buyers actually, they're interested in the buying side today. Okay. So today, there is two options in my opinion for today price action. One option is that we see the neutral day. If the price go and trade sideways near this, we will see the non-trend day, neutral day. And there is a second option in my opinion, that we see the double distribution day, some kind of double distribution day, bullish. Since this single print O is not enough to hold basically the for a long time, you know. As well, this single print M here, where the seller started, I think this is a bit forced from the weak holders. They desperately trying lower pound USD, but basically this is not reaction from the large smart sellers, the big players. Because if there is a reaction from big sellers, you will absolutely know. You will see the massive single prints, you will see the massive supply, and That's the reason how I know that this actually reaction from yesterday's swing high to low is basically forced by some weak holders or some intraday traders with not big capital. Today on the Asia session, we see that there is a some for example some syndicate traders, since we got some single prints there, and these single prints actually held for they are still holding, as you can see. The news even cannot reach this single prints, which is a good sign. And basically the news, all the news did is to trap the buyers, maybe force them to close some stop losses because of this swing low, probably close some scalper traders, close some intraday traders. And actually what the price did is the price just went to test. We see the rejection right now from the point of control from yesterday. You see how amazing this worked like a magnet. The yesterday's point of control, the news actually came to this level exactly 1.2906, and the price rejected from that point. So in my opinion, we will see probably that some double distribution day, some kind of form, and I'm expecting this O to be broken and that we see more prints above today, or maybe even in the Monday, depend. So today non-trend day or double distribution day bullish. I don't really expect anything bearish today, reading the previous price yesterday profile and reading the today market profile and price action. Also on the tick volume, this is how I combine also as well two type of analysis. This is a market profile, and this is a right now volume price action, volume spread analysis. We got a very big climatic action on this news. Climatic action, which will probably will be the stopping action, and it will be the very good sign of the strength. Even you see that bar rejecting so good. So when the bar go like this is a really sign of a strength. If we go to the 15 minutes, we can see very big sign of strength. Price on the 15 minutes actually this bar finished basically in the middle, which is sign that this is an absolutely trap selling move from market makers to trap sellers before probably they leave, they go to the train up higher. Okay, so this is pretty much, again, this is some basics reading, but if you want to really to learn my method and how I combine the market profile and volume spread analysis, absolutely advise you to start my mentorship program and don't lose time with anything else. You don't need pretty much anything else. For the intraday trading, I speak for the intraday trading. If you want to intraday trade, then I can teach you absolutely market profile together with one spread analysis. If you want as well to trade short term, I will teach you absolutely the as well that, which is more if you trade short mid-term oriented, it's more like intermarket analysis and chart patterns and volume analysis on the futures. So I pretty much got for everyone who, or intraday trader or mid long term trader, absolutely I can teach you all you need basically. So this is all yeah, one information for you. I will try to post pretty much every day from next week. For example, on the major currency, on the two major currency pairs, for example, USD or GBP/USD, I will try to post my analysis what day I expect using the market profile reading from the you know, from the action from Asia session in action from the previous day profile, and I will try to suggest you some my opinion about how will day looks like and what you may expect, so that can really help you to build your position and establish yourself for the intraday trading. So feel free to subscribe my YouTube channel. Also follow me on my Forex Factory Trade, the Art of Trading by Petar Serbia, and you can also start discussion there, and we together can discuss there and you know, post our our viewers. Okay, this is all. I have this position, buying position, with a stop loss of 25-30 pips, and I will try to take about 80 pips to 120 pips today. So we'll see. Wish you good trading for now, and trade safe.